Hey guys, I just wanted to take some time to show you guys how to navigate through your VHL site. Once you log in, you guys should see your book, either Spanish 1 or Spanish 2. You'll have a 1 if you're Spanish 1, and obviously if you're Spanish 2, it's a 2. Okay, so once you click the book, you're going to see assignments. Okay, if you have an assignment and you're all caught up, you're only going to see this. Okay. If you have late assignments, you're going to see something that says overdue activity. Okay, and that's where you're going to find all your overdue work or your late work. Okay, when you click on this one, it's going to give you for, let's say tomorrow, which is August 17th. So you're going to hit start. Okay, and this is what is due for tomorrow. Okay, this is just an example. Another thing that I needed you guys to look at, just going back to our dashboard, you can also find things that are due through here. You're going to click activities. And if you go, here's all activities. So this is what's due. It's here, the late stuff. And then assigned only. So you only see the assigned activities. Okay. All activities. The other thing, when you hit content, when you click that, if you go all the way down to vText, that's where you're going to find your textbook. Your textbook is online. Okay, so we're going to click textbook, and you should be able to pull this up. Okay, right now I'm on page 1213 because I was looking at this earlier. So if you click the arrows, you change the pages. Okay. If you need to zoom in, you hit the plus. If you need to zoom out, you click the minus. Okay, and there's just some other things. View all notes, search if you need to find something. Okay, so this is where you're going to find your book. Okay. All right, so going back. Again, if you have something that's overdue, you're going to click this box. And then you're going to hit start so you can complete that. If you're only working on current work, then you click this box and you hit start. Okay, make sure you choose the right one so you're doing the right work and not doing the wrong one. Okay, if you guys have any questions about where to find your assignments, please let me know. Send me an email, send me a remind, and I'll get back to you. All right, that's it.